waking up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining.
Hey guys, that's your girl Nix, and for today's video, I'll be doing this makeup look at ang drunk blush with Faux Freckles. At kung bago ka sa channel ko, please don't forget to subscribe and click mo rin yung bell button para lagi ka updated sa bagong uploads. At kung gusto mo rin malaman kung paano ko ito ginawa, just keep on watching. So first step is mag-moisturizer muna ako. I'll be using this Fresh Skin Lab 98% Tomato Glass Skin Soothing Gel Lotion. Ito guys, super love na love ko to kasi super hydrating siya sa face. Plus, lightweight lang siya. And ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito is nagbibigay siya ng glowy or glass skin effect. Second step is I'll be using concealer, and dalawang concealer yung gagamitin ko kasi gusto ko. Char, pero ito kasing concealer na to is feeling ko ito yung combo sa akin every time na ni-skip ko yung mag-foundation, ganyan. And I'll be using this. Ito, siya will make Magic Concealer in the shade 02, and I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So ito kasi guys, super minimal ng coverage niya and hindi siya totally nakaka-hide ng blemishes. Kaya ginagamit ko lang to sa under eyes ko para brighten up lang yung face ko or yung mga dapat kong i-brighten up, ganyan. Para itago ko yung mga chismis sa face ko. Gamit ako nitong sponge para mas ma-blend ko lang siya ng maayos. So next is for the brows. I'll be using this Faux Freckles brow gel in the shade 04 Ash Brown. Ito guys, super konti lang kailangan mo kasi very pigmented siya. So as usual, lalagay ko lang to sa brows ko and i-fill in ko lang yung gaps kung saan walang hair sa brows ko. Powder, I'll be using this Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One powder in the shade 03 Natural. So for my favorite part, I'll be using this Careline All Control Blush On in the shade Fresh Tomato. Actually guys, ito ata yung blush on ng bayan kasi lagi itong sold out. Plus, okay naman kasi talaga yung performance niya kasi maganda talaga siya and pigmented siya for affordable price. So ito lang gagamitin ko for the drunk blush effect. And make sure na itatop off yung excess kasi sobrang pigmented talaga niya, girl. alam kung anong shade to. Basta para siyang chocolate brown and perfect to for natural freckles lang. And nagamit lang din ako ng gantong brush. Ayan, para mas maliit siya. Plus, babasiin ko din siya using Shower Makeup Mist. I'll be using this Everblend Power Girl Mascara. For the lips, I'll be using this TV Matte Lip Liner in the shade Toast of New York and itong Powder Matte Lipstick ng Fashion 21 in the shade Bliss. I'll be using this LOL highlighter in the shade 03 Prima Bronze. For the eyeshadow, I'll be using yung blush na ginamit ko kanina para mas nagkaroon ng natural effect.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining